Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to Nailed It. Today I'll show you how to make this easy nail striper at home. Take a regular bottle of polish, which can be old or a new one. Next, use a paper towel to clean the brush, just like I'm doing it here. I wanted to share this thing with you that I'm challenging myself to upload one video every day for a month, so please support me and let me know if you're up for the challenge too. Now I want you to take a scissor and cut the brush from all sides little by little. Don't cut a large portion of brush at one go. Let's do it little by little at a time. Continue the process till the time you are comfortable with the thickness of the brush. Now it's ready. Let's dip it back into the polish. You have your brand new homemade striper, which is ready to use. You can create thicker or thinner lines depending on how hard you press down when you paint. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and this is especially for the ones who do not want to spend on a striper and you can easily make one at home. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and get notified every time when I post a video. Thank you so much for watching.